central Kansas and southern Nebraska.
Gotta see if I can catch some CGs. Oh yeah, I got one. Got a CG. Sorry if I did the intro, guys, but we are storm chasing. Oh my god. Yeah, I just caught a CG on my GoPro. That was pretty cool.
What do you need on that? I wish I could see lightning.
That's too bad.
Darn.
Oh yeah.
I guess I'll just call on my. I'll just get in the fetal position.
Trying to see if I can capture some more CGs.
What? I see North, or I guess, no.
It's not North.
North tier.
North tier.
Alright, I got the probabilities up. Tornadoes low. Alright, tornado probability, low, 20%. One or more strong tornadoes, 5%. Wind, low, 20%. Probability of more winds, 65 knots, 10%. Hail, probability of more hail events, moderate, 40%. Probability of one or more hailstones, 2 inches, low, 10%. All combined, moderate, 60%. That is the lowest of the lowest risk ever. My God.
We'll see what happens.
This is their all tech. Effective this Monday afternoon from 3:10 p.m. until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Scattered large hail events up to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Isolated damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour possible. And tornadoes are possible. Summary: strong and severe storms are expected to redevelop across the region through late afternoon, initially across northwest/central West Central Kansas. And feel the wind.
Bro is running. Now I'm gonna go with you too. Hold on. Look at that horseshoe! It's such a classic horseshoe run, this one. Oh my god.
That is gorgeous.
Wow. Do you think we'll get a tornado out of this one?
Maybe.
About like a 20%.
I'd say more than 15%.
Something like that. It would be like a bonus if we do get a tornado.
Structure's already made me happy. This is worth it.
Oh yeah. Wow. Look at that wall cloud. Look at that wall cloud.
That is a wall, yeah.
It's going over there. That's where my interest is over. That's where I'm interested in, right over there.
Yeah. I'm looking right there.
Right there?
Yeah, look right there. I mean, it's probably just scud.
Probably, yeah, it looks like scud to me.
But it could be cold air funnel, maybe.
Could be.
I doubt it. I'm gonna, real quick, I'm gonna record something. Be quiet, please. No offense, but. Something's on the lens. Actually, fuck it. I'm gonna go grab my phone and I'll do a panoramic shot. Hey, what?
I gotta get my phone, hold on. I gotta go get my phone. Wow. Look at that.
There's another chaser right there.
I don't know who that is.
I have no idea. Otherwise, it's just a farm.
Farmer, probably.
I really wish I could be out there with you guys.
Yeah, it really is. It's so awesome.
This was well worth the wait.
Definitely.
Now it's sunlight.
Oh, okay.
I mean, this is a good thing because daytime heating can increase, and that's gonna do produce yet another storm.
Probably.
No,
You have a roller car?
I have a GoPro. It's filming everything.
You have a roller. That's the fun.
No, I don't.
You have a column.
Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Oh yeah, look at those. Yeah, big time hail. Oh shit! Oh my god, this is too dangerous. Holy shit! Hold on, I gotta leave call. Hold on, I gotta leave call right now. Wow. Go, just go without me. Stop. pretty bad.
Let's not do this.
So yeah, what's up?
Dude. Lucas? Lucas.
What's up? She doing it? What's up?
We're core punching! Core punching! I can't see shit.